Hello! Welcome to another day with Aaron! Punta tayo sa launch party ng kanilang new and improved Ultra Lipsticks. And as usual, ginagawa ko yung makeup ko sa bus kasi I am from Laguna and walang namang issue sa akin doing my makeup on the bus. This event pala is in Poblacion, Makati, and grabe, ang dami kong nakitang mga famous personalities from artista, beauty queens, and content creators. There are Maymay and Kylene as their new ambassadors for their lipsticks. I'm so lucky I was able to get pics with Ate Maymay, pero for Kylene, nawala na siya. Hindi ko na siya makita. And say hi to Miss Matty. Thank you so much for taking pictures of me during this night. And ayun pala si Sir Raymond, nasa likod ko lang. Can you believe it? Who would have thought, di ba? Actually, ang ginawa ko lang dito is kumain, pumarty, at mag-takes ng picture. Meron din ako mga nakitang mga mutuals ko on IG. Hello, hello po sa inyo. And I am so happy to meet you all in person. By the way, nasa likod ko pala yung kanilang new and improved lipsticks na merong 25% color pay off than other lipsticks. Gusto mo yon? Pasabog, di ba? And this is me inside while waiting sa aking motor. Kasi nagmumotor lang ako pag nandito ako sa Manila. And another great experience for me to experience. Thank you so much, Avon, for the opportunity to experience this. That's it. Bye.